Seriously, imagine a toy car that doesn't need batteries, just a little help from the sun. That's what we're talking about today. We're diving into the world of DIY solar car projects, reviewing some of the best kits you can grab on Amazon. We'll break down their pros and cons, compare them to each other, and help you find the perfect one for your next project. All the links are in the description. Oh, let's get into it. 6. STEM Building Toys for Kids ages 8-12. The STEM Building Toys for Kids ages 8-12 kit is a fantastic starting point for any young builder, focusing heavily on hands-on construction. It's unique because it's made entirely of non-toxic, pre-cut wooden pieces and gives you two different projects in one, a solar-powered car and a wireless remote control car. This dual functionality ensures learning and fun continue even after the build is complete. The solar car's speed depends significantly on direct sunlight, so it's not a great option for cloudy days or basement play, which is a key limitation of the solar cell used. However, the wooden build is a major plus. It's eco-friendly, non-toxic, and crucially, you don't need any glue or welding, relying solely on interlocking joints for assembly. This makes the project much cleaner and safer for younger users. It's a more hands-on craft-like experience than some of its plastic competitors like the Silbird 12-in-1, which offers more robot-themed builds. This kit really shines by combining a tangible craft project with an introduction to both renewable solar energy concepts and basic remote control electrical systems, offering a strong blend of artistry and engineering principles. 5. Solar-powered Car V300. The solar-powered Car V300 is a great hybrid option that offers the best of both worlds. It's both a constructive project and a flexible toy. Made from pre-cut wooden pieces, it snaps together easily and provides a crucial dual power system. You can run it on solar power when it's sunny out, or instantly switch to AA batteries for indoor testing or low-light conditions. This is a huge advantage over kits that are solar-only, as it keeps the fun and educational activity going no matter the weather or time of day. The construction process is engaging and clearly introduces the basics of circuitry. Compared to the STEM Building Toys kit, it's very similar in concept, but its remote control is a bit more limited, functioning mainly for forward/backward movement and lacking any sophisticated steering functionality. So, while it's a super engaging project that can be personalized by being painted and decorated for an extra creative twist, the playability is a little basic. This kit truly excels at demonstrating the principles of energy conversion by letting you see the difference in power output between the solar cell and the battery pack, providing a direct comparative lesson in energy sources. 4. DIY RC Car Kit. This DIY RC Car Kit is another excellent choice for anyone looking to build a versatile solar car focused on foundational mechanics and electronics. It features a simple, no-frills design that is very approachable for younger kids or first-time builders, making the complex concepts of gear ratios and circuit completion easy to grasp. Like the V300, it also has a hybrid power system, letting you choose between solar and battery power, which extends its functional lifespan beyond just sunny afternoons. This flexibility makes it a great entry-level product for kids who are just starting to learn about circuits, electric motors, and the principle of energy conversion without getting overwhelmed by excessive complexity. The clear plastic body allows builders to easily see the simple internal gear mechanisms at work. However, its straightforward design and lack of complex features like turning capability mean it's more of a foundational science lesson and proof of concept than a dynamic remote control toy. The focus here is purely on the physics of motion and converting energy. What do you guys think? Is the simplicity a good thing for first-timers who need a clear, focused introduction? Or do you prefer more complex projects? Let me know in the comments. 3. STEM Kit 3 DIY Car Projects. This STEM Kit 3 DIY car project stands out from the rest by giving you not one, but 3 distinct car projects in a single package. You receive a solar-powered car kit for renewable energy learning, but you also get a classic rubber band-powered car kit that teaches stored potential energy, and an incredibly unique mousetrap-powered car that demonstrates torque and levers. This variety is a huge value add as it teaches a broad range of scientific concepts beyond just solar power, such as kinetic energy, simple machines, and mechanical design. The projects are designed more as proof-of-concept science experiments or classroom demonstrations rather than long-term toys, so they might not be as durable as the wooden or plastic models built for repeated use. The instructions are generally clear and geared toward understanding the mechanics, but for a budding scientist, a teacher, or a classroom setting, this kit offers a more robust and varied exploration of physics and engineering principles than any other on this list, ensuring a deeper educational experience across multiple scientific disciplines. Listen in as we exclude Gitora, seated. 2. Solar Power Car STEM Toy. The Solar Power Car STEM Toy is the most focused and straightforward kit on this list, offering an unadulterated look at photovoltaic power. Its core purpose is to be a pure solar-powered demonstration vehicle with no extra remote control or battery functions included. This dedication to solar power makes it an excellent teaching tool for illustrating how solar cells and electric motors work together to convert light energy into kinetic energy. The 3D wooden puzzle model is easy to assemble, relying on simple joints and clear diagrams, and it's a perfect low-cost project for a science fair or a focused learning activity. The final product is surprisingly aesthetically pleasing, easily taking paint or markers for customization. However, because it's strictly solar, its performance is highly dependent on strong direct sunlight, meaning even light clouds will stop the car entirely. This makes it a little less versatile and limits its playability on cloudy days or indoors. In comparison to the Vaguelly kit, which offers dual power, this one is for the purist, who wants to understand solar energy without any other electrical or mechanical bells and whistles, providing a focused, powerful lesson in sustainability. 1 Vaguelly Solar Electric Car Kit, and our winner is the Vaguelly Solar Electric Car Kit. This kit takes the top spot for its perfect balance of educational value and engaging play, solving the major problem of solar-only models. It combines a solar-powered mode for a clear demonstration of renewable energy with a reliable battery-powered remote control system for consistent fun and playability. Its quality is notable, with pre-cut wooden components that fit together precisely without glue or welding. The detailed, step-by-step instructions make it easy to assemble, and the hybrid functionality is a huge advantage over competitors that become useless when the sun goes down or hides behind clouds. The ability to switch between green energy and reliable battery power ensures the core concepts, building, mechanics, and circuits, can be practiced anytime. While the remote is simple and the solar performance can be inconsistent, its overall versatility, build quality, and the dual power design make it the most comprehensive and well-rounded DIY solar car project on this list, providing both a powerful science lesson and a fun toy. And that's our rundown of the best DIY solar car projects. Which one caught your eye the most? Have you built any of these before? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. And if you're ready to start building your own, remember that all the links are in the description. Subscribe for more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next one.